Hey folks, this is Bob with Kingdom Horse Trailers in Henderson, North Carolina. What we've got here today is a pre-owned 2023 Adams. It's the Ju Lite 2-horse straight load. It's got the dual escape doors, and of course it's got the built-in ramp with 50/50 Dutch doors. It's in excellent condition, freshly taken in on trade the other day. Just wanted to give you a quick video walkthrough of it. I'll have all of the specifications, weight, and so forth in the description. So here we are on the driver's side, just walking over towards that escape door. We've got slider windows on both sides. We do have some feed bags right up at the past where the breast bar is. Okay, and continuing our tour here, coming around to the back of the trailer, we've got those Dutch doors already open. We've got our ramp here that mounts flush with the rear of the trailer. I'm going to drop this down. Again, this is the Ju Lite 2-horse straight load. It does have the swinging and or removable divider in the center, as well as the head divider, slider windows on both sides, escape doors on both sides. Does have roof vents. Does have your light switches at the rear for easy access. This trailer is in excellent condition, fresh in on trade. Tires are like brand new. The spare is brand new. Just full disclosure, it does have some light scratches just above the doors here. Obviously, she said parking it at her barn had a tree nearby, but these are superficial and not deep. They have not scratched anything but the clear coat. This is our second escape door, horse tie up on both sides. Again, we've got those feed bags up at the head just past the breast bars. Roof vents, slider on the escape doors. We do have this nice camper door, so you can leave the tack room door open or tied back like I have it. Swing it open, revealing, got our bridle hooks, saddle rack, and there's our brand new spare tire, as well as our Breakaway kit battery. Again, this is a 2023 Adams Ju Lite 2-horse straight load. Fully inspected and ready to roll. Just give Bob a call, Kingdom Horse Trailers, 919-930-6127. Check us out on the web at www.nchorsetrailers.com. We are open Tuesday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Hope we can help make this one yours. Take care.